Hello, this is Dr. Andre Jones with Inspire Dental, and today we are going to talk about the use it or lose it policy in the dental insurance world. So we're hoping to answer some of your questions and explain what exactly that is. So what is the use it or lose it policy in terms of dental insurance? Use it or lose it means that you are given a set amount of benefits in a given year, and if you don't use your benefits for that year, despite paying for your dental insurance, you will lose those benefits. It does not roll over or renew the following year. And so you will have to start over with a brand new fresh. And so we are hoping that what you'll gain from this video is insight on how to best utilize your benefits, and that way you're maximizing what you are already paying for through your dental insurance. It is important for patients to be aware of their dental benefits before the end of the year because they're going to expire. And we want to make sure that you are able to get the full coverage of your insurance because you're paying for it. And two, it can help offset the cost of dental care. And so we are very passionate about reducing the cost as much as we can for our patients. And so if you're paying for your insurance, then we want to make sure we maximize it this year, next year, every year, if you are needing something that your insurance will cover. Common dental benefits that people often overlook before they expire are their cleanings, x-rays, exams, fillings, crowns. Pretty much anything your insurance covers will often be overlooked. And so we want to make sure you take the full advantage of that. So a question many patients will ask themselves is, well, how do I find out what benefits I have remaining? The best way to find out is call our office. We can help you identify and locate what benefits you have remaining. A secondary option would be you can call your insurance as well. And so those would be the two options available to you. And some insurances have an option, maybe even logging into an online portal where we or you can see the benefits that remain. Common misconceptions that people have regarding the lose it or use it policy in dental insurance is that their benefits roll over. If I don't use them this year, then they'll roll over to next year. Unfortunately, dental insurance, they don't do that. And so unless you utilize your benefits this year, you won't have a new set of benefits next year. And so it's important to make sure, as we're heading into the end of the year, that you get in right away, and that way there's time and space available to utilize those benefits. So a question we often get asked is, how can I find out what remaining benefits I have for the remainder of the year? The best way is to call our office. We can help guide you through what benefits you have remaining. We can access online portals to see what amounts are there. Secondary option is you can call your dental insurance. I promise you our hold time is not as long. And that way, you can, like I said, you can call them directly and also find out through them as well. So utilizing your dental benefits for the end of the year impacts your oral health because your insurance allows for a certain number of cleanings, exams, and x-rays to be done every year. Preventive is the cheapest way. So for most patients, their preventative care is covered almost completely, or if not 100% by your insurance. So that is going to be the cheapest way to utilize your benefits. Also, you're paying for it. And so it's interesting when you look at the offset of what you pay and what preventive measures cost, it's equal, it's the same. So at least for you to break even with what you're paying for your dental insurance, utilizing your preventative benefits is the best way. And like I said, but preventative is the cheapest, and so it helps us either prevent future problems or catch problems while they're small so they don't turn into bigger problems for you. So what I would recommend is someone who has not utilized their dental benefits this year is give us a call, get in right away. The end of the year is quickly approaching. We are about to enter into the holiday season. We know how busy that gets. So give us a call as soon as you can, and that way we can accommodate your schedule and get you ready for that holiday season so you're eating good. So a way of utilizing your benefits, how it can save you money now, is that if you catch problems when they're either not there or when they're small, it prevents future problems from happening. And so if you have benefits, say, to go towards a filling, well, you don't use your benefits for that. You're dragging out the time of that cavity being there. That cavity grows. Then next year, say it turns into a root canal, a crown, something much more expensive. And so that's why it is always best to get things early on while they're at the smallest place, because nothing stays the same. It's always going to grow. The best way for a patient to know how to maximize their benefits is to work with the dental office. We have highly trained insurance coordinators and also treatment coordinators that will help plan the timeline of your treatment. That way we can utilize and strategically plan how we can best take use of the insurance that you have. We know the end of the year is coming. We know most benefits renew at the beginning of the year. So if someone has an extensive treatment plan, well, perfect. We're going to utilize what we can this year, and then we're going to we're going to take care of what's going to be the worst, and then we'll roll it into next year and time it to where we can then have a new fresh set of benefits. Then again, to lower the cost, because our goal is to lower the financial burden of what dentistry can be at times, or what can just healthcare can be. And so our goal is to make sure that you are staying as healthy as possible at the lowest cost possible. So where do we start with this? The first step that a person should take is to call our office. Like I said, we have a series of many people that are highly trained to help you with this. So we want to utilize those people. We are passionate about caring for people, and so we want to help you through this process. So first step, give us a call. We'll get you scheduled, and then that way we can go from there and walking you through. And say if it's been a while, well, we're happy to get you in for a free consult to discuss how we can utilize what you have for the remaining of this year. That way you are getting healthy and you are your best self as we enter into another year.